Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that sounds mysterious, even a little scary, the dark web, deep web, and surface web. What are they? How are they different? And should you be worried? Let's break it down in simple terms. Let's start with the part of the internet we all use every day, the surface web. This is the part of the internet you can access with Google, Bing, or any search engine. Websites like YouTube, Wikipedia, online shops, news sites, blogs. If you can Google it and find it, it's part of the surface web. But guess what? This is only a tiny part of the internet. Now, let's go beneath the surface. Welcome to the deep web. This is the part of the internet that search engines can't access, but it's not as scary as it sounds. Examples of the deep web include your email inbox, online banking, private databases, medical records, school or company intranets. These pages are hidden for a reason. They're private, and you usually need a password to get in. So the deep web is mostly safe and legal. It's just not public. Now we get to the bottom layer, the dark web. This is a small part of the deep web, but it's where things get a little sketchy. You can't access the dark web with a normal browser like Chrome or Safari. You need a special browser like Tor that hides your identity. So what's on the dark web? Some people use it for privacy, like whistleblowers or journalists. But yes, it's also known for illegal activity, drugs, weapons, stolen data, and more. The dark web is not illegal to access, but doing illegal stuff on it? Yeah, big trouble. All right, quick recap. Checkmark, surface web, public stuff. You can Google it. Deep web, hidden but legal, private accounts and databases. Dark web, hidden and shady. Not all illegal, but risky. So now you know. Most of the internet is hidden from search engines, and only a small piece is actually dangerous. If you stick to regular websites and protect your passwords, you're totally fine. But always be smart online. Use strong passwords, don't click on weird links, stay away from anything that seems suspicious, and unless you really know what you're doing, maybe just stay away from the dark web. Hope you learned something cool today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and internet secrets, and tell us in the comments, have you ever heard of the dark web before? Thanks for watching.